Story of St. Patrick.
Long, long ago, in England lived a young boy called Patrick. Patrick lived a very normal life. Until one day, he was stolen by Irish raiders. They bundled him on a boat and took him away to Ireland. There he was made to work as a shepherd for years and years and years. During those years, Patrick felt lonely, so he turned to God and prayed up to 100 times a day. One night he had a dream where an angel appeared and told him to look for a little boat that would take him away from Ireland. He walked for many days and nights and eventually he came across a harbour where, guess what, there was a little boat. Patrick was delighted. He persuaded the captain to take him on board and off they sailed back to England. For many years, Patrick studied to become a bishop, learning more and more about God. Then one night he had a dream where the angel appeared to him again. The angel showed him a letter from the people of Ireland asking Patrick to go back to them. So Patrick went back to Ireland to tell everyone about God. He did some amazing things too. Some people say he even made all the snakes leave Ireland.
The end.